Hey there, and welcome to this quick and helpful guide. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete your browsing data in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. Whether you're looking to free up space or protect your privacy, clearing your data is a smart and simple step. First, open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your smartphone. Next, look toward the bottom right corner. Tap on that button to open the main menu. Then, from the list that appears, tap on Settings. After that, scroll down and find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Now, tap on Clear Browsing Data. A new screen will appear with different settings that allow you to control exactly what data you want to delete. At this point, choose your time range. You can select from options like last 15 minutes, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time, depending on how much data you want to clear. Following that, select the types of data you want to delete. You can choose from browsing history, cookies, cached images and files, open tabs, saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. Finally, once you've selected everything you want to delete, tap the Delete Data. Thanks for watching this step-by-step tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to check other tech guides